This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study programs easily. First, begin by understanding the program's main goal. Don't try to grasp everything at once. Instead, focus on its core functionality and what it aims to achieve. Next, identify the primary inputs it takes and the expected outputs it produces. This initial overview helps you build a solid mental model and provides a crucial foundation before diving into the intricate details of the code itself, making the process much smoother. Now, let's deconstruct the program effectively. Start by looking at the overall architecture, carefully noting how different functions or modules interact and contribute. Pay close attention to any existing comments or documentation. They often provide crucial context and insights into the developer's intentions. Try to visualize the program's flow, perhaps by drawing a simple diagram. This step helps you see the bigger picture before scrutinizing individual lines of code, making complex systems much more approachable. Next, it's time to analyze the code details with precision. Pick a specific function or section and trace its execution mentally, or even better, use a debugger to step through it. Observe how variables change values at each step and how control flows through conditional statements and loops. Don't hesitate to run small, isolated parts of the code to confirm your understanding of their exact behavior. This hands-on approach solidifies your grasp and helps uncover subtle logic. Finally, practice and reinforce your learning. The best way to truly understand a program is to actively engage with it. Try modifying the code, perhaps by adding a small feature or fixing a minor bug. Write your own test cases to ensure you understand its expected behavior. Explaining the program to a friend or even just to yourself can also highlight areas needing more attention. This active engagement deepens your comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.